Status check.
Go Alice.
Go Centaur.
20. 15.
T-minus 15 seconds, standing by for terminal count. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Main engine ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with LRO-LCROSS, America's first step in a lasting return to the moon.
And we have the pitch program in. Vehicle hydraulics look good. RD-180 is operating well. Pump speeds are stable. Vector pressures look good. Plus battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures look good. RD-180 is continuing to operate well. Angle of attack, phase of flight, booster PU has relaunch closed loop control. Engine response looks typical. All systems are stable at this point in flight. Mach 1. Vehicle is accelerating smoothly at 1.7 Gs as we pass through maximum dynamic pressure. And the booster is throttled down right on schedule. Engine response looks typical. Pump speeds are stable. Injector pressures look good. Current altitude is 11.3 nautical miles. Downrange position is 9.9 miles. Velocity is 2,400 miles per hour. And we've begun flying the alpha by steering phase of flight. Vehicle body rates continue to look good. Battery voltages are stable. Tank pressures are good. Booster has enabled closed-loop steering. Vehicle body rates continue to look good. Booster engine operation continues to look very good as we move towards our next phase of flight. We fired the RCS pyro valve, and that system has pressurized according to its normal ramp rate. And the booster has begun its 180-degree roll for the LRO thermal constraint. Booster engine continues to operate well. Vehicle is still operating well as we begin our 5G throttle segment. Boost phase cool down is underway. Pump temperatures look good. Coming up on our 4.6G throttle segment, preparation for BECO. And boost phase cool down is complete. And we have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have retros and stage separation looks clean. We have LOX and fuel pre-start. Chain 2 purge firing is underway. We have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. We have payload fairing jettison, 2 good brake wires, and good visual indication of payload turn jettison. Centaur has begun closed-loop steering. Vehicle body rates look good. Centaur PU is being commanded to fixed angles for the early portion of this 9-minute and 42-second burn. Centaur has begun PU limiting. It's operating at the oxidizer-rich condition, which is expected for this phase of flight. RL-10 operation looks very good at this point. Continue to run oxidizer-rich. Beginning to pick up our RCS thermal conditioning firings. And Centaur PU has gone to closed loop control. It's now requesting a fuel-rich condition. The engine response is typical for this set mixed ratio. Current altitude is 105 nautical miles. Downrange distance is 618 miles. Velocity is 1,224 miles per hour. All Centaur systems look stable at this point in the flight. RL-10 continues to operate well. And we have had the format change, just a slight loss of data as expected. All systems look very good on Centaur.